beautiful M3 of AutoTopNL. Hi. How are you?
What's up?
I'm good.
Tires are almost gone, so...
We're gonna do it careful.
Exactly. That's my fuel pump.
Yeah, that's okay. It's a fuel level.
The problem is that all the fuel in that fast corner is going to the left,
Okay.
and it's sucking fuel at the right.
Okay.
So it's sucking air, basically.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
And that's why I don't have any power right now. So in a moment it will give me power back.
Yeah, it's now back. Okay, I got it. This car is so agile, it hurts.
So I have to keep refueling it.
Yeah.
Which is a problem.
Yeah, I know.
Take it easy.
Yeah,
so
because of the
doesn't
fuel.
go to one side. Now they are done.
Yeah, now I'm also done. I'm also done. This car is seriously agile. I wouldn't have, like, you felt it instantly.
This sounds amazing. 2 walls.
Okay.
can hear the intake spooling up with the turbos.
Yeah, it's like a Supra.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's really crazy. Thank you for this passenger ride.
Yeah, sure.
Got you. Yeah, people, goodbye.